How to fix not enough memory resources are available to process this command error on Windows. 1. Run sfc and dism commands as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan helpdism/online/cleanupimage/check helpdism/online/cleanupimage/restore help2. Perform chkdsk via chkdsk, C command. And scan your system drive. 3. Enter any number from 15. IRP stack size at computer /H key _local _machine /system /current control set /services /language server /parameters in registry editor. Modify Windows subsystem. Computer /H key _local _machine /system /current control set /control /session manager /subsystems. This way, increase shared section second and third values. 4. Delete temp files. 5. Repair Windows upgrade using installation disk.